Hi, my name's Neil and I'm one of the coaches here at Running Hot Coaching. Over the past 10 years, I've enjoyed working with Lisa Tamati, and we shared some amazing adventures in some crazy places around the world. A decade ago, we rebuilt Lisa's body, changed her mental approach, and worked together to help her achieve some of the greatest performances of her career. Since then, we have honed and experimented, adapted and learned, and fine-tuned our coaching systems to bring you a completely new and holistic approach to training. This is not just a running plan, it's a tried and tested system, and hundreds of athletes around the world have had running success with it. So what we want to do today is take you on a quick tour so you see exactly what you're going to get when you join up with us. So when you just choose to join up, you can either join up through the website under our programs and coaching or directly from our homepage. As you can see here. Once you've done that and joined up, you're going to get an invite sent through into your inbox where you'll create your own profile and set up your login details for our members page. Once you've got those details, you can log straight in. Now we're going to sign in today as my lovely wife. You can see what she's been up to and set her some goals for the months ahead. Now, first thing you're going to see when you log in is you will see our articles, our recipes, our videos, and your schedule for what you have planned. Now, the articles, you've got an extensive list here that will answer all of your running, health, and fitness questions. Some amazing recipes that are great for snacking, for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and some great ideas on healthy snacks you can take out on the road with you while you're training. We've also got our extensive video library. Again, everything from technique sessions, how to look after your feet, podcasts and webinars that Lisa and I do. So again, huge amount of choice there, and we're adding to this on a regular basis. So always new articles, new recipes and videos going in. Now at the moment, you can see that Sam hasn't got a great deal going on today because we haven't loaded anything in for her. So let's check out her plans and see what she's got access to. Now, when you join our Running Start membership, you're going to get a choice of 12 programs. Again, we're always adding to these as well. So you always get plenty of new programs coming through and plenty of choice. So you can see here, we've got everything from our 100K plan right the way through to our half marathon and our foundation plans as well. So those you want to start out from scratch, you start out on our Running Hot Foundations, which should help you with your technique, your skills and drills you'd need to develop great run efficiency. You then progress to Foundation 2, which would take you to the next stage. And then you can move into our half marathon, and onto your bigger ultras if that's what your goals are. Now, I think for today we'll have a look at one of our half marathon programs just to give you guys a snapshot of what you're going to get. And I think Sam would be quite happy. Well, I'll check with her later and see if she's happy with the half marathon plan. So we're going to open the program up. Remember, as we said at the start, it's not just a running program that we're looking at here. We're looking at a totally holistic approach. So we're looking at your flexibility. We're looking at your mobility. We're looking at the strength and core as well. So you'll see as the program loads up and opens up, you'll see exactly what's on offer and what you're going to get as part of your plan. What we'll look at as well as we go through, I'll take you through these in a little bit more detail as well, what other bits you have access to as part of your membership. Right, I was thinking there for a minute that Sam didn't want to do a half marathon training. So you'll see you've got your training laid out across your weeks. Okay, so this will take you through this 12-week plan and take you right across the from start on a 3-day run week, take you right the way through to your goal event in 12 weeks. Now, each of the blocks of training are going to be broken down with videos and some with PDFs. So if we have a look at the knee program as an example, you'll see here that it's complete as PDF. Program will take you around 10 minutes. And if we look at the videos, you'll see as the video loads up, you'll be able to go through the session with Lisa and myself. And you'll be able to download our PDF for the session as well. So you'll be able to watch it, go through it with Lisa and myself so you feel like you're actually training with us. And you can, as I say, download the PDF. So each of the sessions is fully laid out. So you see with the runs what you suggested for your first long run. Undulating, plan for 10 to 11 Ks, and your time's obviously going to vary depending on your chosen course and the speed you're running at. So these, as part of a running start program, you'll get access to these, and then you can tweak them to suit your training week. You can move sessions around, so you can mix it and match it depending on what your commitments are with a family, what your commitments are with work as well. So you can juggle it around to suit where you're at. Now, if at any point you want to get these plans tailored to you and personalised, you can upgrade at any point to our personal coaching with myself or Carlos. And then you can downgrade back to your running start plan once you've been through the coaching. So some other athletes will coach with us full time on a weekly basis. Others will do it for three-month blocks or 2-month blocks in the build up to races, and then go back to just using the resources. So it's your call. What we'll do now is apply the plan. So we're going to apply the entire plan, and Sam's going to get started with it from next week. And I can apply it to her schedule. Now, as this loading into a schedule, what Sam's then going to be able to do is she can access this by logging in from her tablet, her phone, or a desktop, and she'll be able to see that it's then there in her calendar. And once it's in her calendar and loaded up, she'll be able to check the sessions off as she goes. She'll be able to make notes on the sessions, and she'll be able to track exactly how she's progressing. Now, the other bits you want to draw your attention to as well is the other bits you're going to have access to. She'll be able to, and we'll encourage you to create and keep your own blog. This becomes like your personal training diary. So your blog on how you feel after sessions, how comfortable you are, what's working, what's not, and it becomes a diary that you can look back on with regards to your training. Now you can see, as we see here, it's all loaded into Sam's schedule, ready to go. She knows what she's doing each day. At any point, you can go back to home, and you can check out any of the other tabs as well. Now you'll see as we're looking through, we talked about the blog. Sam can also load up her goal events. So it may be that she's looking at doing the Hawke's Bay Half Marathon or working towards the Auckland Marathon later in the year. It could be she's looking at some events further afield. Either way, she can load these up in her event calendar so she knows where she's working towards. Under her resources, this will have her articles, recipes, videos, which you can see here. It will also have testimonials, her files, so if she's got any individual files she wants to load up or any shared files that Lisa and I are going to share with the whole team, then you'll find those in here. Encourage you as well to load up your progress images, so you can take a picture when you start with us, and then it's great to look at taking pictures during your training, at the end of your training, so you can see how your body's adapting and developing as you go. Always great to put your finishing images in there as well. So any of you crossing the finishing line, we'd love seeing those. You can go back to the website, see our partner discounts, access our shop at any point, and also access Lisa's podcast, where she's got some great content on health and fitness professionals around the world doing some amazing cutting edge things. So huge resource, huge library, great choice of programs. Easy way to monitor your training with your schedule. You can access it, as we said, from your desktop here. You can access it from your phone. You can access it from your tablet. So plenty of choice to access it anywhere you want, whenever you want. Now, in addition to all of this, you also will receive a welcome email from us. Now, your welcome email is going to give you access to our members Facebook group, where you can share your questions. You can share your concerns, your worries. You can share your running stories. You can share your health and fitness journey. So we've got the support of the community as we go through that. You're also going to get our ebook, which is 8 tips every runner should know. Now, it's 8 of mine and Lisa's favourite tips that we find are our go-tos and the simple little things that will make a massive difference to your training. So there's some exciting stuff in there and some stuff that will make a big difference to what you're doing. You get the Be Pure 10-day clean eating program from Ben Warren, who's a world-class nutritionist doing some amazing things in the health and fitness world. Now, this 10-day plan will give you the foundation you need to start making the real healthy choices towards your foods and learning more about how your body best responds to food. You'll also get access to Lisa's mindset course. Now, this is one of our big pillars with our training. You've got to make sure that the mind's in the right place as well as the body. And Lisa knows this better than anyone with the training that she's been through, the events that she's completed, and some of the challenges she's overcome in her life. So you'll get access to that as well. As we said, you'll be part of the community in the Facebook group, and you'll have email access to the coaches with any questions you've got, which you'll get your answers to as we go through. So as far as we're concerned, it's a non-brainer. There's huge amounts of value. The price is going to go up from next Monday, from Monday the 12th. So take full advantage of it now. Take advantage of it before the price goes up, and get access to the videos, recipe articles, and all the training plans you need for running success. You can join up through the link in today's email, or you can join up via direct through our website. And obviously, if you've got any questions, you can drop us an email or message us through Facebook. We look forward to sharing your running journey with you and look forward to having you as part of the team.